Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification as I upload my video. Okay, so in today's video I am going to be making these two these two instant snacks. So everyone must have tried these kind of instant packets, right? Like French fries, ये सब like बहुत सारे आदमी खाते रहते हैं French fries and nuggets. I guess उस McCain brand उसका बहुत सारे लोग खाते हैं. I thought why not try something new. Got these two packets. These two boxes from obviously Nilgiris. I'll tell you what all I have. So I have a veggie pizza pocket from the brand ITC MasterChef. MasterChef is actually a really big name, so it should also taste like that, not like a normal one. And I also have Sumeru. What's up? All good. Sumeru's vegetable samosa. So I'll tell you the price of both these products. So I got this for 195 rupees. Can you see? So here they have also said how to make, like you can make in air fry if you have, or else you can even deep fry it for 6 to 8 minutes. It is written approximately 9. So 9 pizza pocket for 195 is too much, I think so. So I have this vegetable samosa. Normally we get samosas for 2 rupees, 4 rupees, the kutti samosa, but this is for 150 rupees vegetable samosa. And I'll tell you how many samosas will be inside. No, it's not written. We'll also unpack this and see how many samosas are there. Like the video if you like it, and also tell me if I should try more of preservative foods for 24 hours. I would love to do that, but let's just go let's just unpack this. Okay, so let's just unpack. Okay, so the size is actually quite smaller. I expected a bigger size, but it's okay. Okay, and let's unpack another one. So I have opened it. Let's see what is inside. Okay, so we have this samosas and it is nicely packed just like the other one. As you can see, if we talk about the packaging is really good in both the case. This is also nicely packed and this is also nicely packed. We have got 9 pieces and I don't know how many pieces we have in this. Let's just go and quickly fry them. Okay, so I have unpacked both of these boxes and I am excited to try this. Let's go and heat up some oil and let's eat and see. खा को देखेंगे कैसा है करको. And all those people who will comment down and say like, you know, preservative foods is not good, I am not encouraging it. I am just going to try, and as I told you, preservative foods are not good for health, but you can try it once in a month like that. So yeah, let's go and quickly fry them. I think it is cooked. Let's just take it out. How it is looking. Let's eat and see. Okay, so finally our pizza pocket and vegetable samosa is ready. खाओ को देखेंगे कैसा है. It's actually quite hot and I always like to eat it with some ketchup. 12 pieces of samosas for 150 rupees and 10 pieces of pizza pocket of 195. And if you see both the size, like let me just show you. If you see both the size, both are actually same. Okay, let's first try vegetable samosa. So as you can see, this has, I can see some green peas and carrot and sweet corn, and I guess some potatoes, and some onion also. So let's try and see. Bismillah. It is actually crispy. It is actually crispy, but if you want me to rate this, I would give 5 for 10 because I cannot even taste salt in it. I'm being very honest. I can't even taste salt. It's completely bland, like no taste at all. Completely no taste, completely bland. I guess the normal 2 rupees wale samosas is much better and tasty. Sumeru disappointed me. ज़रा भी टेस्ट नहीं है, ना सॉल्ट का टेस्ट है, ना पेपर का टेस्ट है. सॉल्ट का नहीं है तो दूसरे स्पाइसेस का तो नाम ही नहीं है. क्रिस्पीनेस इज देयर, नथिंग एल्स. दिस इज़ अ टोटल फेल, टोटल फ्लॉप. I guess 5 is also a big number. I would give only 3 for this because no taste. The failure of vegetable samosa which didn't have even one single taste. कुछ भी taste नहीं था. ஒன்றுமே இல்லை ஆக்சுவலி. ரொம்ப பிளாண்டாக இருக்குது. No taste at all. Let's try ITC MasterChef Pizza Pocket. I hope this does not disappoint me. So let me just open it from the middle. Oh my god. Wait. You have to see this. Look at the beauty. Look at this beauty, guys. So I can see some pizza sauce, capsicum, corn, carrot and everything. The filling looks really good. Let's just try and see. And it is actually little cheesy too. You saw that, right? Okay, let's just try. Bismillah. This one is a fab. ITC MasterChef, really proven. It is really fab. Can you just look at it? Like, really tastes so good when compared to that, and I would give it 8 out of 10 because it's really nice. The sauce is also quite fresh, and you also saw the cheese, so this is worth it. My cousin is here, so I will just give one bite and we'll see her reaction on this. Tabu, कैसा है तबू? ये
सुपर है.
अच्छा है. फ्रेश है कि नहीं? पुराना सका दिखता है कि
फ्रेश.
ओके, शी इज़ एक्चुअली क्वाइट शाई, बट पसंद है कि अच्छा है कि. कितना 10 में कितना मार्क देंगी इसे?
9 दूंगी, 8 दूंगी.
ओके, सो शी इज़ ऑल्सो गिविंग 8 and 9. मोस्टली 8 की 9 की, 2 में से एक.
8.
Okay, she is also giving 8 and I will also give 8 because why I'm not giving 10 is because it's not freshly made. It is preservative plus it's okay, like the texture outside is like it needs to be improved, so only for that reason. So I'll just finish this and talk to you guys. Okay, so as I have ate both of this, so Sumeru, the vegetable samosa, it's completely no. Do not buy it because it does not have salt, no pepper, no red chili, nothing. Very bland, very extremely subtle taste. So that's a thumbs down for me. But this one, Pizza Pocket, it's a thumbs up for me because it is really nice and you can even try it. So if you get any of these products, if you want, then you can also try vegetable samosa for your convenience. Like if you want to try and see how it is, then you can definitely. But if you ask me, I would say a big no for vegetable samosa, big yes for vegetable Pizza Pocket from ITC, the MasterChef. The taste was also really good, very perfect taste. The pizza sauce, कैप्सिकम, कॉर्न, एवरीथिंग वॉज परफेक्ट. बहुत अच्छा था. समोसा कंपेयर करते यहाँ को रियली बहुत अच्छा था. ओके, so if you liked my video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also comment down below what you think. Like, do you want me to make do you want me to eat preservative foods for 24 hours? maybe like trying dal makhni, kadhi pakoda, rajma chawal, etc., paneer makhni. If you want me to try for 24 hours, do let me know in the comment section, or also send me a thumbs up if you want me to do it. Send me a thumbs down if you don't want me to do eating preservative food for 24 hours. But if you want me to do, then please comment down thumbs up in the comment section. And that's all. I'll see you guys with a new video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family. Also tell me which video you want me to make next. I'll meet you guys with a new video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye. So if you like this video, then do like the. Why are you?